Hello people, welcome to Shifting Gears, and today I am with the fourth product from Kia here for the Indian market. This is the Kia Carens. This is a 6-seater and 7-seater family car, but we don't know the product positioning yet because Kia has not announced the pricing. We will drive it early next year, and deliveries of course are going to start from maybe Q1 of 2022. This is the all-new car, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything about the exterior design and also give you a sneak peek of the interior, because Kia has not really opened up the car for us to get inside, but whatever we can manage we will tell you, and we hope that you like the content piece and you let us know if you like this Kia Carens.
So when you walk up to the front, especially on this lighter shade, this silver shade, you can notice there is a lot of contrasting elements. So you have the new Kia identity, the new Kia logo. Where you get the conventional grille, you have this knurled gloss black pattern. You have chrome accents running across the width of the car. You are getting LED DRLs, you're getting LED headlamps, and you have LED fog lamps. The fog lamps typical of Kia's design language, very unique, very stylish. You have chrome accents on the bumper as well, और यहाँ पे भी आपको ये knurled pattern मिल जाता है. Looks quite nice, and you have a healthy dose of black plastic. And as you can notice, you are also getting front parking sensors with this Kia Carens. The bonnet, not too radical, but overall this car is being positioned as an MPV with the toughness of an SUV. So this is how it looks from the front end. I quite like it. As you can notice, you are getting body cladding all around the car. So this is going to protect the paint of your vehicle when you venture out where you don't know how the roads are going to be. So it is going to protect your lower body. On the lower body, as you can notice, आपको यहाँ पे silver accents मिल रहे हैं. This is not chrome, but it is going to protect your doors lower end as well. Then you get these alloy wheels. These are 16 inches dual tone MRF Wanderer tires fit on the display car, and it fills up the wheel well area quite nicely. So this MPV doesn't look under tired, so I quite like that as well. Rear view mirror पे आपको LED turn indicators नजर आएंगे, but as you can notice, there is no camera over here, so no 360-degree camera on this variant. This is the DCT variant. Door handles पे आपको chrome accents नजर आएंगे. There is chrome on the DLO section as well. So there is a generous third row quarter glass. The middle row glass is also quite large, and you have this blackout tape on the B pillar, and it doesn't really get that typical floating roof effect, but I think if this car gets a dual tone paint finish, it will get that look. Up top on the roof, you have a conventional sunroof, not a large panoramic sunroof. You have silver finished roof rails, but these roof rails are not functional, which means you can't really add load on these roof rails. It is very clearly written over here. You get a shark fin antenna, the roof mounted spoiler. This is how it looks. You get these black elements for aerodynamic efficiency. This is part of the spoiler treatment. And then look at the tail lamp. Very technical, very stylish. Wraps around quite well with the rear quarter panel. Have a detailed look at it. Lower down on the bumper, you have knurled pattern in chrome, and this chrome accent actually runs the entire width of the car. Below you have gloss black elements. You have your reverse parking sensors over here on this plastic cladding. Then you have your reverse parking camera. The branding is quite nice. These are not too large, too bold, chrome accents, and I like this because this will be easy to clean as well. On the tailgate, you can notice this is the DCT variant, so you have that branding. You have your rear wash and wipe. You have a high mount stop lamp, and this car is a connected car, so you can notice that branding also. You get Kia Connect features. And the tail lamp, as you can notice, connected from left to right. I don't think this is illuminated, but it adds a nice stylish treatment to the rear profile of this car, because it is a big car overall. And as you can see, a lot of body cladding and a lot of people to check out this Kia Carens. All 4 disc brakes, by the way. So this is the rear wheel of this Kia Carens. And if you want a quick look at the blue colored variant, this is the new shade which you're gonna get. And if you want a very quick overview, you will also get to check out a reel that we will upload on our Instagram handle. So do check out Shifting Gears IN. So, you know, if you are into quick consumption of content, you will get it over there. Now let's talk about the interiors of the Kia Carens. This is a 6-seater variant that we have with us today. You can also get a 7-seater second row bench seat variant. First, I'm gonna start with the third row. So when the seat is in place, this is the amount of space that you're gonna get. I know you can't see it clearly, but you'll have to gauge it because Kia is not opening up the interiors for us today. This is the third row seat. You're getting 2 adjustable headrests for the third passengers. The third row seat also gets leather upholstery, and you can fold these seats. You have 50-50 fold over here for the third row. You have USB charging points, you have storage points, and the AC vents are on the roof, and you are also going to get a diffuse functionality for the air conditioning, so that, you know, the airflow is optimum. Talking about the second row, this is the captain seat variant. You can notice that the rear window is going to get this sun curtain. The second row seat is going to get electric tumble fold option, so you don't have to do all the mehnat, just touch it and you can access the third row. The second row seat, you can move it forwards and backwards, and you can of course set the recline angle. You are getting adjustable armrests over here, and on the left hand side in the second row, you are going to get a tray to enjoy your knickknacks. You can also position your iPad over there, and here you will also get a cup holder. But on the other side, let me show it to you. Behind the driver's seat, you are going to get an air purifier. So this section is going to house the display for the Smart Pure Air. So the car is quite loaded with features, okay? And here's a look at how the interior cabin looks like. Looking at the roof, as you can notice, the sunroof is only open over the front cabin of the car. The seat back of the front seat is in a darker theme, in a darker shade, so this is going to be easy to maintain. And now when we move to the front cabin, the steering wheel is a flat bottom unit. You have the Carens branding on the steering wheel. This is a leather wrapped steering wheel. You have all the controls for all the functionality on the move. There is a driver armrest. You can notice you're getting 2 cup holders, and they seem like they are ventilated. This is the gear console. This is the 7-speed DCT variant, and in front of the gear console you are going to get a wireless charging pad for your smartphone. The seats are ventilated. You can notice how the buttons are positioned over there. This car is going to get drive modes, and the dashboard is a flat black plastic piece with some textures, of course, and the touchscreen infotainment is very nicely integrated with that gloss black dashboard. It is going to be difficult to maintain because you will be able to see a lot of dust and dirt over there, but it is what it is. This is how the AC vents look like.
So this is it. This is the Kia Carens. Did you like it? Do you think the exteriors are good looking? Do you think the interiors, as much as I could show you and as much as you could see in this video, do you think this makes sense for your family car requirements? If you have any other queries about this Kia Carens, ask me in the comments below. I will try my best to help you out. See you soon. Subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press that bell icon, and always guys, drive safe.